The Pioneer TS-D69F 6-inch by 9-inch speakers deliver a notably clean, balanced sound that feels like a genuine step up from typical factory car audio. Their two-way layout with dedicated drivers for low and high frequencies gives music clear vocals, solid mid-range presence, and smooth, non-harsh treble. With power handling that comfortably supports high-volume listening, these speakers stay composed and detailed instead of turning muddy or distorted. Bass response is surprisingly full for a coaxial design, adding real weight to drums and bass lines without overwhelming the rest of the mix. A wide frequency range and respectable sensitivity help these speakers reveal subtle details across many music styles, from acoustic tracks to dense electronic mixes. Standard 6-inch by 9-inch sizing and thoughtful design make them a practical, straightforward upgrade for many vehicles, with even more performance available if you add an external amplifier.